These two paper bags are the same size. You're wondering why this is bigger than the other one, right? This is A3 paper bag. That is 2A3, you can call it A2 size. But this is 2A3 and this is 2A3 also. But you can see that this is bigger than this. Why? So the size of your bag is depending on your measurement on system and then how you print it. So I'm going to show you how we can take the exact measurement that will give you this bag and not this bag. So open system, open your system, open your system. Let's design this bag. I've already had everything here typed so that we can just go straight to our design. So this is the background I use on that bag right here. So you can see that this is on A3. And you can see that the measurement of your A3 is 16.535 by 11.693 in inches. Now, your DI machine can print up to 18, which is called direct cut 4. So now we are just going to change this measurement right here to the measurement here. We're just going to change this to 18. This is 18. And hit your tab key to this one. And we're going to change this to 12. And then you hit your enter. So you can see that your Canva has now expanded a little bit. So this is 18.0 by 12.0. This is our bag right here. So now what you're going to do is the size of your bag is mostly determined by the sides. The size of your bag determines how big your bag will be inside. So if the sides are small, trust me, your bag is going to be small inside. And if the sides are big, your bag is going to be big inside. So this is the size right here. Normally, even the small bag, I think I did a video of that bag and we used 3 inches. That's because I wanted space to be inside the bag. So for the sake of this video, we're going to be using 3.2 inches. So this is 3.2 inches here. 3.2 inches by 3.2 inches. And hit your enter. So now that's what we have here. We have 3.2. Let me zoom this so that we can put it right at the edge. We have 3.2 by 3.2. So there you go. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to leave the outline here so that maybe when we're done with everything, we can just adjust that. So now you're just going to click on this and hold your control and then just drag it. You can see it's dragging exactly at the point. So you right click to duplicate that and then you drag it to this end. So this is going to form the under of our bag. And then do the same to this, click and hold your control key, drag it up to duplicate, right click and drop it there. So now you're just going to drag it up. Just drag it up. There you go. Yes, there you go. So now the space left here, this is where we are going to do our design. So let me zoom that back and let's place a rectangle there. So let's just well, we can just pick this, just drag it up, control, and same way just drop it and make it to fill this place. And we are good. This is all the measurement we need for our paper bag production. So you see this side here, this is what you're seeing here, and the side here, this is what you're seeing here. So this is going to be under of your bag. So let's head straight to the design. Just right click here, drag it here and power clip. I'm just going to right click and say fit contents to center, and it's going to do that for me. I don't know why my corridor is lagging today. Let's just open this and edit it ourselves. Just going to drag this. Oh, sorry. You can just hold shift key so that you make sure it's dragging all good. Shift key and it increase in all sides. You can see that. So we're just going to leave that and then we'll finish our power clip. So now let's head straight to our design. Let's pick Vogue by Lizzie here and take it inside. You can just keep it here. It's going to be under because we're already doing something there. So just control page up. It's going to take it up. Control page up, and there you go. It's up now. So pick this and place it here again. Control page up to bring it up. it's going down because we already typed it before coming up with our shape. So for inquiries, we're just going to pick that and keep it here. Control page up. That's good. So if you want to centralize this, it's not something difficult. We can centralize this. So we're going to press on this, hold your shift key, select this very square right here and press C. You can see that that has now been perfectly centralized. You can choose to leave this up a little depending on if we want to. I think I want it there. Yeah. So how about this? Let's group this. And then we can move it up a little bit also. Yeah, just here and shift this and we'll press C. So now we're just going to take the social media handles right here and we'll bring them down here. There you go. So control page up, we can still take this up because we already typed it. Maybe next time we'll do our shapes before we do the typing. All right, so there you go, and shift this and see. So now to the side, this is this here. So I'm just going to bring this to the side right here, and I'll change this to 0. It's on 270 degrees, so I just send it to 0 degrees. Maybe yours can be on 0 degrees already, so it's just going to change it to 90 degrees and it will rotate. Look at that. So this is this. So how can I know this is exactly in the center? You just need to do is shift and select this, and then you press your C. You can see that now it's aligned the center. But do you know how about up and down? So just hit on E, and you can see that now it's perfectly in the center of everything. So I want the color of this side bag not too different from this, so I'm just going to sample from the background and give it here. Okay, just let's do control page down for this so that our write up can come up. Yeah, there you go. So under here, I don't want the color to be exactly same with this. I just want, let's just use something like this for here. Oh no, that's too dark. This, yeah, that can serve. And then let's use this for here. Yeah. So let's remove the outline. You can just say none, or you can click on this and click here. Better still, you can click on this and say click here. All are ways of removing the outline. You look at that. So we've now finished removing our outline. So when you finish this bag, this is going to be the under of your bag. This is going to be the under but by the side, and this is going to be the side of your bag. This is the main bag. This is what we have right here. Almost forgot our QR code. Let's just pick it and we're just going to drop it right here. There you go. You can see the alignment. So I'll just drop it there, control page up, and there you go. This right here, this what we just designed right here, this is going to give us exactly this bag. What we just designed here is going to give us this size of bag and not the other way around. So take on your PC, click on this measurement, do this design, hit on your printing, and let me know if you got something like this. Thank you. Please remember to hit the subscribe button.